My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Tesla Model 3. This vehicle has done just under 54,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On the user interface, we're met with navigation as a feature, and if we click the Tesla icon in the bottom right, we can access our controls, dynamics, charging, autopilot, navigation, safety, service and software. The Model 3 comes with a 360 degrees camera, and with that you can access your dash cam. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has cream leather seats with a black contrast and get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.